Hey guys, it is MindGuy239, and today I'm going to be playing something a little bit different. It's on the server. It's called the Hive. It's a Hive server. I don't know. It's just called the Hive. And it is hide and seek. And I was just playing it a little bit ago. I suck at it, as some of you may know. And 1 minute to start. It's a very colorful lobby, but it must be in a tundra biome. I might check that. Yep, taiga. It snowed. It snowed all over the lobby. Oh, that sucks. I'm surprised the fountain isn't water. I mean, like, ice. I'm surprised they didn't biome change it with MC Edit or something like that. Okay, what to do for 30 more seconds? Don't want to click that. Oh, shipyard. Shipyard sounds like a anvil. Sure. I'm gonna second guess that. I know it's a bad idea. I'm gonna do an anvil. Anvil. Okay. On. Oh, this is a terrible place for an anvil, wasn't it? Oh, lag. Ooh, anvils. No, guy. Fine, I'm gonna go right here. Let's wait until I can be an anvil. Yes. Oh, right as it started. Okay. Okay. I'm waiting. Waiting. I like how you can see the outline of the block. That's awesome. An emerald block would be like terrible on this one. I can see like a melon block and stuff, but an emerald block. Ooh. An iron block. Oh, that would be terrible. This is pretty well designed. I like these maps. This is cool. I like how no one can totally find you when there's really 99. No. Okay. I like how there's like these big piles of stuff that you can hide in, and no one will ever find you until they do, because they hit the one block. Oh my gosh! I knew it. Oh my gosh, that sucks. I bet like at least a quarter of these people are in the exact same anvil pile I was. I bet you anything. Okay. Let's see. Let's go and see. I know there's an iron block running around near here. This does not seem right. Must be. Flower? No. Yeah, because there wouldn't be a flower pot in a flower. Flower in a flower pot. Hey, get out of my face. Okay? Someone's YouTubing here. Wood was one of them, right? Yeah. Pow. Nope. Doink. Nope. Where would an iron block hide in this map? It would really suck if I chose an iron block. Oh my gosh. It's actually laggier than I thought it would be, to be honest. Where is everything? You know, I'm not very good at being a seeker. I think I've told that before. Oh, this is a dark room. A flower pot at the end. What's up with the flower pot? Ooh, one hider left. Ooh. I'm totally gonna lose this round. Just a watermelon. A watermelon? I bet I totally just jumped right on top of him there. That extra crafting table, I totally jumped on him. One players are hiding. Oh my gosh. You stupid watermelon. He's a nice watermelon. Caution, work site. Watch your head. Watch my head. My head? Oh. Come on. I just want to be more unsafe. Some people just don't let you be unsafe. You know? Oh my gosh. How is there not that... Where's the stupid watermelon? I mean, it has to be a watermelon, right? Gotta be. This would be a good place if you're a redstone lamp. Hey, he sees moving melon. Probably a she. Shouldn't call him a he. Oh, her a he. I don't know how to say it. Oh, did you know that Mojang stopped hitting while you're blocking, but you can still like spam it and it'll totally work? I didn't know that. When you go into F5 mode and it does it, it's like, it looks like it's digging into your face. Well, I guess well, I don't know. Probably not. It'll take a while though. I really need a pause on my video recorder. I wonder if I can figure out how to do that like on my laptop. That'd be cool. Phoenix Rising. Phoenix Rising over here. Ooh, lobby. Lobby. Okay. So, how are you guys doing? Respect others. Don't hack. Don't abuse glitches. Max teams of 4. Be nice in chat. No swearing. Blah, blah, blah. Exit to hub. Probably shouldn't do that. It's probably at max. So, welcome to Hide and Seek, you guys. Welcome to Hide and Seek. 23 players wouldn't play. Oh, why can't you break the snow? We could all do a good deed. Well, not all of us. Some of us are probably like pretty bad versions of snow or something. But then I'd do a good deed and clean them up. You know, I'm good like that. Yeah, taiga biome. I'm surprised that water is not ice. Like, it would be a lot laggy if they had command blocks just replacing the water, just replacing the ice. Hey, buddy. Oh, choose block. I want to choose. What is it? Force space. Sounds beacony. Okay. I'm a beacon. Double X army head here. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay, let's go. Let's do this. Oh no, this is not a good beacon spot, is it? Oh no. Oh, this sucks. Oh, this is terrible. Didn't think it would be this map. Be good if I could just go in here. Go upstairs. Moldy Burrito's office. Dirt Dragon. Dirt Dragon would need a light source, right? He would. You need a light source in your office or else you don't know where the light's coming from. But it's just... No, Beacon! Gonna ruin it! Oh, sorry. I kind of made him walk away. Do not stand on me. Oh, that looks weird. I'm a spaceman. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. I'm just gonna peek around the corner. There's a beacon. This beacon and I are just gonna stand at opposite corners, and we're totally gonna win this. We're totally gonna win this. This beacon. Oh my gosh. I can give that beacon damage. Oh no, this guy. Get out. No. I wanna see who this is. Oh, I think I broke him. Oh, I'm sorry, guy. I don't want to break you. Oh, that's a beacon right up. That's where it's coming from. Oh, don't move, guy. We got the perfect location. Yes, come back. Come back, guy. No, that's a sad location. You're gonna die with that location. You know that? Oh, a wooden sword. Yes, move back to your original location. Yes. Do that. Yes. I'm like micromanaging this beacon. It's sad. Oh, I probably don't want to punch him again. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. That guy's totally, oh my, he knows that's a seeker. Oh my god. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh jeez. Oh, he's coming back for seconds, isn't he? Oh my gosh. I can see his name tag. I don't know if you guys can on my flip phone. But I can totally see his name tag just away. It's just awesome. Cause Double X Army Head died. That guy was awesome in the 3 seconds I crouched with him. Let's go back to the good old days. Ah! Sticky keys. Oh my gosh. I need to... Okay. Bad sticky keys. Good old days suck. No. I don't want Twitch. No, okay. All new buttons on my keyboard. Okay, so. Oh my gosh. You can totally hear that in the background, can't you? Oh, my dad's watching YouTube and it's so loud. I don't know if you guys can, but it's so loud. Hidden in plain sight. Let's go. Ouch! He found me. Owie. I was probably messing around too much. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ouch. Ah. Those are doors. I can jump over those doors. Okay, let me run. Oh my gosh, did I have speed when I was a block? That would make perfect sense. I remember I watched a video and there was There was a person in this courtyard and no one could ever find him. He was the most outstanding block. Ice and stone, huh? Stone's pretty hard on this map, just because there's no holes where the stone would be. Yeah, there'd be this furnace, guys. If any of you play this, furnace. I'm not on the board. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be about it. If you guys like these kind of videos, let me know. If you guys want me to cut out the parts where I'm just waiting, then I'll see if I'll be able to, cut them out on my laptop. Anyway, guys, that'll be about it. Thanks for watching.